Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello students. So last class what I have taught you? I have taught you about the sentences. Now I am going to teach you about the two parts of sentences. Those are subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Okay? These subject and the predicate. So in sentences there will be two parts, which are those subject and a predicate. So what is mean by a subject? We will study now. What is mean by a subject? What is mean by this subject? So subject means, we will take one example. Okay? Which one will be the example? See, look here. What the subject tells? Subject tells us. Subject tells us who or what. Who or what. It may be person, it may be place, it may be animals, or it may be things, or it may be things. Okay? That is sentences is about. Sentences is about. Okay? Now we will take one example and we will discuss what the subject is. Okay? The boy is playing football. The boy is playing football. Means, which is the subject in this? The boy. What he is doing? He is playing football. Means, the boy is a subject. The boy is what? Here subject. Okay? What the subject says? Subject tells us who or what. Who means here the boy. The boy, what he is doing? He is playing a football. So, it is a subject. Okay? Now see here, sentences is about. Okay? Sentences, what it is about? It is about, see, the boy is playing a football. So, the boy is a subject here and is playing what? Here it is a predicate. It is a predicate. Okay? The boy is a subject and is playing football is a what? Here predicate. Okay? Now what the subject means? The subject tells us who or what person, it may be place, it may be animals, or it may be things. In sentences about. And example, we have taken the example, the boy is playing football. Here the boy is a subject because the subject means here it may be person, it may be place, it may be animals, or it may be things. Okay? Here subject may be any, but remember that note. What is the note? Note that in a subject may be any action words. Okay? In the sentence. In the sentence. Subject may be any action words in the sentence. Understood? What is a note? Subject may be any action words in the sentence. Understood? Now, we will take what is mean by a predicate. We will study what is mean by a predicate. See, look out here. What is mean by a predicate? What the predicate says here? What the predicate tells here? Predicate predicate tells us something about the what? Here see, playing football is a predicate. Why? It tells the that who is, it tells about that who is so what is happening in the sentence? That what is happening in the sentence. Okay, so predicate tells us something about that what is happening in the sentence. What is happening in the sentence? The boy is playing football. Is playing football is what? Predicate here. Here what the predicate says? It tells what is happening in the sentence. The boy is playing a football. That is what? That is a predicate. Understood? Here we will take one more example for the predicate. Now the horse. First one is the horse ran in the field. The horse ran in the field. Here the horse is a subject. Ran in the field is what? It is a predicate, because see here. See, running means what is happening here in the sentence? Here the horse is running in the field. That is what? Predicate here. What it is? It is a predicate. And here the horse is a subject. We will take another one example. Okay? My mom asked me to go to the store. Okay, here my mom is what? That is a subject, and asked me to go to the store is what? Predicate. It is what? Predicate. And here my mom is a subject. My mom, it is a subject. Asked me to go to the store is what? It is a predicate. Now we will take another one example. Another one example. My family. Let me take my family. My family is having a party. Is having a party. Okay, so my family is what here? It's a subject, and is having a party is what? It's a predicate. So today you came to know about what? Subject and predicate. Understood? So in the sentences there will be two parts. Which are those? Subject and a predicate. Subject means that tells us who or what in the sentence, and here predicate tells us what is happening in the sentence. That is what? Predicate. Here the examples of predicate and subject. Okay, got this one? Thank you.